Equation. Equation is a condition on a variable. It is satisfied only for definite value of the variable and it has equal sign. Equal sign means this sign, we all are familiar to this sign, right? It has equal sign between two sides and those two sides are left hand side and right hand side. Here I have shown you an example of an equation. Now this equation has variable, right, and it has a equal to sign, and to the left of equal to sign we have the left hand side, to the right of the equal to sign we have the right hand side. Now the first definition says it is a condition on a variable. Now equation is making a condition for this variable x. It is satisfied, this equation is satisfied for a definite value of x. X will be having some fixed value for which this is going to satisfy, right? So I have shown you what is an equation. Now these are some more examples. We can check whether these are equations or not. This one is an equation. It has equal to sign. It has variable. Here also, this is also an equation. But this does not have an equal to sign. So we cannot say this to be an equation. So this is not an equation. These three are my equations. Now moving to the next, the solution of the equation. Now what is the solution? Here I just talked about the definite value of the variable for which the equation will get satisfied. So the value of the variable for which the equation is getting satisfied is known as the solution of the equation. So the value of variable in equation which satisfies the equation is known as the solution for that particular equation. Now here we have example of 2n is equal to 10. Now I have written down that n plus 5 is the solution for this. That means if you put the value of n 5, you would get the equation to be satisfied. Now we can check that 2 into 5 on the left hand side comes out to be 10, which is equal to the right hand side. That means this is the solution of the equation 2n is equal to 10. Now here for the next example, we have to check that whether these are the given solutions of these respective equations or not. So we have started from the second one. We have b plus 5 equal to 9. Can we check that b is equal to 5? Now if you put b equal to 5, you would have on the left hand side 10, but on the right hand side you have 9. They are not coming out to be equal. So this means b is equal to 5 is not the solution for this equation. Moving to the next, p plus 3 is equal to 1 is the equation and p is equal to 0 is the solution which is to be checked. So we put the value of p equal to 0 over here, and on the left hand side we get 3, but on the right hand side we have 1. So here we have left hand side not equal to the right hand side. So again we can say that this is not the solution for this equation. The last one is 4L equal to 20. Now for this, if we put the value of L to be 5, that would give us 4 into 5 on the left hand side, we get 20 equal to 20. Now it is getting satisfied. So we can confirm that L is equal to 5 is the solution for this equation. Now this is done only by hit and trial method. There is no such direct method. There is direct method, but you will learn that in your higher grades. Here you only have to use hit and trial method. You have to check the value of L to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That depends. You have to analyze what value should come here so that when you multiply these two you get 20. So it is just known as a hit and trial method. So for calculating the solution for any equation, you have to use the hit and trial method. If you have to check whether the given solution is the solution for the equation, you have to put the value of that variable into the equation and check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. If it is equal, then we say that the equation has this respective solution, but if it is not coming equal, we say that the solution is not the solution for that respective equation.